ever wonder why your outfits just don't hit the same as when you're scrolling through Pinterest? You feel like you're copying the outfits, piece for piece, outfit for outfit, and yet somehow it just doesn't quite match up to what you were expecting. Well, then you're happy you clicked on this video, because today we are doing a deep dive into how to make your outfits better and how to elevate your everyday style. So we're just gonna hop right into it and start with the biggest thing that I think has to do with elevating an outfit, and that is jewelry. I am such a big Pinterest scroller. It's where I get a lot of my fashion inspo from. One thing that I have noticed, your eye is actually drawn more around the outfit because of the jewelry that they're wearing. They have at least earrings on, if not a bracelet, some rings, all that kind of stuff. And since we are on the topic of jewelry, I'm just gonna take a really quick second to introduce Linjer. If you guys have not heard about Linjer, it is time you do. They are a female-founded Norwegian jewelry company. They were very kind and gifted me some pieces to feature in today's video. So I got 3 rings, a bracelet, and then I also got the cutest pair of earrings. They are so dainty, you will see, and you will love them. Their packaging was also beautiful. I'm like in love. So this first outfit is just a little sweat set, and I'm styling it with the rings and then the small dainty earrings that I was gifted. The reason why I love these earrings so much is because they actually snap into each other. I don't know how else to explain it. They snap together. There's no backing. It's not gonna get lost. It is so fun. The next outfit is just shorts and a tank top, and I'm adding my own necklace with it because I felt like my neckline was pretty bare with this top. And then I'm adding the bracelet that is actually customizable to your wrist size. It has like a little tightening thing on it. I love it. And I actually got complimented on that bracelet the first time I wore it out, which was like a week and a half ago. This third outfit is actually a personal favorite of mine. I really do like it. I did end up switching the Linjer earrings for just a pair of larger hoops that I do own. I just feel like they just fit the outfit a little bit better. And then I added on some rings. I still had that bracelet on. I did end up trying on a necklace. Honestly, I'm not really loving it because I think it actually kind of cut off my neck area. I would have rather that have stayed bare. So really do play around with your jewelry, see what you like, see what you don't like, and it'll all come together in the end. Another cool fact about Linjer is they use 100% recycled gold and silver, and all of their diamonds are lab grown. I believe their emeralds are lab grown, and then the rest of their gemstones are all ethically sourced. So I think they are a super cool company. I'm super excited to be partnering with them for today's video. One of their really main motivators in being a jewelry company is to try and stop the kind of fast fashion jewelry trend, which I also think is so admirable and amazing. If you guys want any links to anything, all the links will be in the description. And yeah, let me know what you think of all the pieces. So now that you have seen what jewelry can do with our outfit, we are gonna move on to number 2. Adding some extras, something like tights, belts, sunglasses. All those little things do add up to make a big difference. Honestly, you can play around with accessories, but just know the more you have, the more your outfit is gonna have just layers on layers, and it's gonna draw your eye around, because that is basically what we want. We don't want someone to be like, oh, I love your shirt and only your shirt. We want them to love everything all together. Shoes will change your whole outfit. So if you feel like, you know, your outfit just feels a little bit too casual, throw on a pair of heels or a pair of heeled boots. I swear it will change up the whole game. And even when you hear the little click clacking down the sidewalk or the building or wherever you're walking, I used to get insecure. I used to be like, oh, everyone can hear my shoes. Now I feel empowered because I'm like, I made an active choice to wear a bold shoe and everyone can hear me. I don't know if that's just me, but shoes can change the world. So if you want to go for like girl next door, more laid back vibe, then definitely throw on a pair of Vans. If you want to go for more model off duty, that would be more of a pair of heels. If you want to go for more of like a young adult look, then definitely like a pair of chunky boots. It just changes the way your whole outfit looks. So trying it with different shoes will change the whole vibe of an outfit. I myself am more privy to like heeled things, especially because I am a little bit shorter. That is just a personal preference. I feel like in the summer, I definitely wear a lot of like slip-on, more wedge, sandal kind of style shoes. So that is something that I always tend to go for, is just throw on a little bit of a heel, something a little bit more sophisticated. And I feel like that takes your outfit from basic and boring to beautiful. The 3 Bs. The next thing that will add to your everyday style, elevate up all of your outfits, is your hairstyles. I always find if I throw in kind of a half up, an updo, maybe I'm doing a slick back, it really does change the tone of every single outfit that I'm wearing. Honestly, some days when I'm at home, I just put my hair in like a ratty little ponytail and I don't even look at anyone for the whole day. But I do find when I take the time to do like a really intricate updo, especially when it's paired with a simple outfit, it just adds this whole different like contrast to the look, which I love. I have kind of my cardigan, my cozy stuff on, and then I'm pairing it with this really cute, messy, curly bun. It is the best. I could wear this every day for the rest of my life. I love little teeny curls. I don't know about you guys, but it is just amazing. So if all of a sudden you're looking in the mirror and you have some time on your hands, because hair does take time, then definitely just try out some new different hairstyles. If you guys are ever looking for hairstyle ideas and you would like to see a video on some hairstyle ideas with different outfits, definitely let me know. This is just more of an educational video, but if you want to see an actual tutorial, I'd be more than happy to show you guys some tutorials on stuff that I can do. I can't do everything, but I can do some things. Another thing that I do want to mention with hair is if you are specifically looking at Pinterest and copying pictures off of there, sometimes if a girl's wearing an all black outfit and she has this like bombshell hair, it might not be the same on you. Number one, everyone's hair is different, so hairstyles are going to look different. And it also depends on your hair color. If your full Pinterest board is filled with like these beautiful blonde bombshells and you are like a redhead or a brunette, the outfits are going to be a little bit different because the contrast is going to be different. So I would say when you're looking for outfit inspo, definitely look for kind of the color features that are similar to yours if you want to go for that kind of same look. Okay, another tip that I feel like does add to an outfit is the power of layering. When I think of layering, I automatically think of like just fall outfits. I don't really think of summer, spring, maybe winter, but winter we're all just kind of bundled up anyways. Layering doesn't even necessarily mean you need to wear more clothes. Like it can be summer and you can have a perfectly layered outfit just by adding maybe a cardigan on top or kind of a long sleeve button down on top, or even just layering your accessories over one another. Maybe wear 2 or 3 necklaces. I feel like just play around with it, add some textural interest to your clothes, and it'll be awesome. You can play around with colors, you can play around with patterns, but just know like the more that you add to an outfit, the more it gives, kind of. I don't really think that less is more in these circumstances. I think layering can be done in all forms. Okay, those are all of my tips and tricks. It's just those little things that really add up to being an amazing outfit. If you guys found this video helpful, if you liked my little tips and tricks, definitely let me know in the comments. Thank you again to Linjer. I really loved working and partnering with you. If you guys have any more outfit questions, or if you guys have any outfit tips that you want to let me know, definitely leave a comment and let me know. It was great to talk to you guys. I will see you next week.